see if I can beat my MotoGP lap time with a car.
I will show some tricks and you win.
Vamos! It's impressive how late you brake.
I think it's the biggest difference, the brake.
Whoa!
I guess now it's your turn. Perfect. Really good.
Oh!
Good catch. Last two corner, yeah, perfect. Really good. This is the where the Mantai kids work because it's high speed.
I see.
Let's see who is faster in the equal machine.
I think I will be.
You were first, mate.
Well, I think we both ride very fast.
Was really fun.
I enjoy it. Thank
Me
you.
too. Thank you.
It was a beautiful day.
Nice to spend day with you.
Thank you, man.